Ooh. So this is one of the features that it has on it. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today guys, I'll be unboxing my Walmart ring light box and I'll show you guys what's in the box set. So let's get into the video guys. Okay guys, so yeah, gotta do with my knife. So hey guys, we're gonna open this box. Let's see. Hey guys, and I got this at Walmart over the Black Friday sale. So we're gonna check it out and see what's inside. Ooh, okay. I don't wanna rip the whole box up. Okay, there's some more tapes at the side. Okay. Piece. Another piece. Okay, and let me see what it says. It says Content Creator Studio Kit. It's a 16-inch ring light. It's 62 inches extendable tripod plus a 5x7 feet green screen with clamps and table tripod. Wow. Okay. Yeah, so seems like there's a lot of goodies in here, and it seems like it has a wireless RGB remote also guys. So yeah, so I don't know if you guys could see, but over here is showing the ring light, and it extends as this thing say all the way to 62 inches in lengthwise, and the ring light itself is 16 inches. There's a tripod for phone, and then they have a 5x7 green screen. They have 4-piece clamps. They have a USB power cord with wireless remote, and that's a remote over here. So yeah, there's a lot of little stuff in there. So yeah, let's see what's going on with it. All right, I'm gonna put the box to the side. Okay, let's get into this one first. Okay, it seems like the legs of the tripod, not the tripod, the ring light. It seems like the legs. Okay, I'm not sure which way it goes, but yeah, let's try to figure it out here. Okay, so these are supposed to, I don't know which way they go, but okay, these are supposed to go this way, like this guys. All right, let's let it stand there. Getting into this part. Okay guys, this is the ring light. Wow, it's pretty big. Okay, this is the actual ring light guys. Okay. Alright, maybe I need to lock this first. Let me see. gotta lock these, so I'm guessing these are the adjustment and stabilizers at the same time. You don't want it to be moving all over the place. Okay, let's stabilize these for now. Alrighty. A little bit of adjustment that needs to be done, but yeah, I'm basically adjusting this so I could put it on the ring light stick. But I like it so far. Okay, now we gotta adjust the neck of this so it's not flipping over. Yeah. Let's see. What else needs to be done? Oh, okay. All right. So I made another adjustment and extended. And let's see if I adjust this area also. Wow. Okay. All right, let's lock this also. And let's see if I could go up even more. Wow. Wow. This is tall. This is very tall, guys. It's all the way in the air. Okay, let's lower it a little bit more so I could finish setting this thing up. My God, it's very tall. Okay. I think this height should be enough. Yeah, it's still very tall, which is good. That means there's a lot more I could actually do with it. So much more I could do with it. Okay, let's lower it. Just for setup purposes, guys, it's a little bit easier to adjust it to this size. And let me see. Okay, guys, let's move this to the side. And this is the tripod. Not bad. This is the tripod, guys. Okay, what it says under here, it has the extender clipped into here. Trying to figure out how to get it out. It has a user's manual, but yeah, I'm just figuring it out myself. But use the manual, guys, so you don't pull anything apart that's not supposed to be that way. So yeah. All right, I got it. So this is the extender for the top here, and it has another little thing under here. So let's see. Okay, let's see how this works. No, that won't go there. Let's see. Could actually screw this on. Okay. Alright, so this is how the extender, I think this is I know this is a slot for the cell phone. So it goes here, and there's an additional piece that goes into this area right here. Okay, so that's it. And then this is to adjust here and actually secure it. So you would want to go ahead and secure this area, and then also screw around and make sure this is secure. Alrighty. Alright, and yeah. And again, this is an extender for your cell phone, or maybe a camera. So yeah, this is it. And let's see what else is here. Okay, and this is the this is the piece that you add right here that is gonna actually secure your cell phone in. Yeah, this is the extender for the ring light itself, and it has 3 different attachment here, so you could put it in the center, depends on the angle you guys want, or you could put it at the side, the left, and then you could put it at the right, so whichever one works. So it's 3, so it's the left, the center, and the right. So I'll just put it in the right for now. Okay, and it's rotatable, so that's pretty good. Let's see what else we have here. And then we have some clamps. I'm just gonna open one of the package, guys. I don't need to open all 2. So in one of the packet you have 2 clamps, so it's 4 clamps altogether, 2 in each packet. So yeah, these are the clamps. So I'm guessing, yeah, you could adjust these depending on what you're doing with the phone and the ring light and tripods. So yeah, and then there's another pack with 2, so it's 4 of them that you get in total. I'm just gonna put these here. And then yeah, guys, you get a battery remote. I don't know if it's already active, but yeah, I think so, because they have a little plastic slot in here, so it won't like burn the battery out. So yeah, there's a little plastic slot. I don't know if you guys could see it. Plastic slot right there that you're supposed to remove whenever you're ready to use the remote. So this prevents the battery from burning out. Okay, so we have one last thing left, and this is the green screen. Yeah, this is a green screen, guys. So I'm guessing that if you are really good at editing and all of these good stuff, you could probably put up like a green screen. You guys, you could put up like a green screen and do your thing there to actually do your filming. So this is pretty good. This is a good addition, because I didn't know they actually add these to ring light boxes. But yeah, so I feel like everything that's in the package is actually worth the price, because it wasn't expensive. It was actually very cheap. And yeah, I'm liking it so far. So far, so good. So I'm gonna actually plug it in, guys, and I'm gonna show you, because based on what I'm seeing here on the remote, it has multiple different colors. So we're gonna check it out and let you guys see. Okay guys, so I'm behind the camera. I just wanted you guys to see, you know, so I'm gonna actually turn this on and let you guys see. So I'm using the remote now guys, and it has the on off button. I'm putting it on right now. Ooh. Okay. And there's adjustments on here that you can actually turn the volume up. So that's what I'm doing right now guys. I'm turning it up. Okay. Ooh. So this is one of the features that it has on it. And then it has, this is green. I know it's showing from my end of seeing it, is showing a little neon kind of blue, but yeah, it's green guys. It's actually neon green in real time. If you see it in real time, it's neon green. Let me try now. This is the blue. It's so pretty. Oh my god, I love it. And this is the red. And then let's try this other feature. And then this icon on the remote just have a W on it. I'm not sure what it's for, but it's like a soft, like basin blue kind of tone that is giving me from my view here. But yeah, so you have this one, you have the red, you have the multi-color, and each time you click the multi-color, it gives you a different color. So it controls all the different colors. And then we're going to green, another soft blue, another shade of blue again. This is purple, neon green, but it's showing different from my end, but yeah. So, and then now you get the multicolor. It's pretty cool. And then you could also brighten and lower the light if you want to. So yeah, it depends on what you guys want. And then there's an off button on it too. You could turn it off, turn it back on, and go to your main ring light setting. You could brighten it, you could dim the lights, depend on what you want. So yeah, I like it. I like it very much. I like it very much. It's very nice. Very nice. And remember guys, this thing extend up to, was it 52 feet? So I just put it at this lever so it will be easier for me to record this video, but you could extend it as far as you want. So let's say you want to record something in the kitchen and you want like a full view. You could actually set it up from an angle and actually get the full view of everything you're doing, because it's really, really tall. So yeah, this was good for the money and it was very inexpensive. That's all I have for you for today. Thank you so much guys for watching. Guys, please remember to subscribe, like, share the video, and put the post notification bell on so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Thank you so much again guys for watching. See you in another one.